Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to study chapter number 4, angles and pairs of angle, practice set number 19 and 20 we will be completing in today's video. So first we will be completing 19 practice set. So in that we have to state whether the angles are in linear pair, adjacent pairs. So first we have to understand what are angles in linear pair. Linear pair matlab, see, this is the straight angle and it has two parts. Okay, this is the line that is dividing 180 into two parts. Alright, so I think this is clear to everyone. Now what we have to do is we have to find the angles in linear pair. Now first, linear pair means the angles which together will form 180 angle. Okay, so when they will form an 180 angle, matlab suppose this is of 120 and this is of 60, the example has been given. So 120 plus 60, the total is going to be 180. So it will form a straight angle. I hope it is clear. Now what are linear pairs? Now how you all have to find whether they are in linear pair or no. So one measure will be given and one we have to find, and the other we know, 180. So while solving practice set number 20, the same thing we have to use, the same method we have to use in order to find the linear pair. So let's start with practice set number 19. Now in this exercise, the question is, draw the pair of angle as described below. If that is not possible, say why. Now they have given a statement. Alright, now this exercise is very easy and mostly it is like you all have to only draw the angles and state whether the given statement is correct or wrong. Okay, so complementary angles. Complementary angles means 90 degree. Remember always that. Complementary angles which are not adjacent. Alright, now it should be a complementary angle, मतलब दोनों का total होना चाहिए how much? 90 degree. Okay, दोनों को मिला के like 55 and 35 together they are going to make a complementary angle which is going to be 90 degree. Okay, this why I am not solving, because everyone is going to make a different angle. You all can even make an angle of 60 degree, 30 degree, 70 degree, 20 degree. Okay, or 50 degree, 40 degree. Got it? So that is why I am not solving it. I am just explaining you all how you all have to form a complementary angle which are not adjacent. Adjacent angles you all don't have to form. They have to be two different figures. Got it? I hope this is clear. So this question you all can solve it on your own. Drawing of angle, we all know how to draw an angle of 35 or 55. You all can even take, as I said, 40 and 50, that angle also you all can take, or you all can take 60 and 30 also, any, but it should be complementary angle. That means 90 degree का angle form होना चाहिए दोनों को मिला के. That's it. Got it? So this question number 1 is done. Now angle in a linear pair which are not supplementary. Now see, if linear pair, now only I have explained. Linear pair मतलब एक सीधा straight line होता है and that has been divided into two parts which has to form 180 का degree. So if it is not linear pair, how will it form a supplementary angle? So that is not possible. Just now before starting the this exercise I have explained linear pair. You all can go and again watch it in order to understand this question. Now next, third question is supplementary angles which are not angles in linear pair. Okay, so it should be a supplementary angle, मतलब दोनों angles का total होना चाहिए how much? 180, and it should not be a linear pair, मतलब एक straight angle पे नहीं होना चाहिए. Alright, like straight angle है and then it should not be divided, it should be separated. But उनका total कितना होना चाहिए? 180. Now in this question also different types of angles you all can take, like 180, 120 and 60. Alright, so depending upon your choice you all can draw the angles which are supposed to be supplementary, मतलब उन दोनों को मिला के होना चाहिए 180. Got it? It's very easy to understand. That is why I am not solving, because everyone is going to form a different angle. So I don't want to restrict your imaginary angles. You all can do this question on your own. Now angles, adjacent angles which are not in a linear pair. adjacent angles होने चाहिए which is not in a linear pair. So this angle you all can draw, any measurement you all can take. Suppose you all take 120 degree, you all can draw a two different arc by the transversal. You all can show a transversal and draw an adjacent angle in this way. Okay, which should not be in a linear pair. मतलब straight angle पे नहीं होना चाहिए. Now the last and the fifth question, not the last, fifth question is angles which are neither complementary nor adjacent. Now it should be not complementary, okay, and not adjacent. मतलब दोनों भी नहीं होना चाहिए, adjacent भी नहीं होना चाहिए, complementary मतलब 90 degree का भी नहीं होना चाहिए. So 90 degree का नहीं होना चाहिए, that means you all can take any angle, isn't it? 60, 40, two different angles you all have to draw because it is said adjacent. Adjacent बोले तो मतलब दोनों अलग होना चाहिए and it should not, neither means not, should be 90 degree. So two different angles you all can draw, 60 and 30 will be 90, so 60 and 20 you all can draw, or you all can draw 50 and 50 also. Any angle you all can draw. Go through your imagination and draw any angle possible. Now drawing of angle is very easy. I have already made a video how you all have to draw, and I hope everyone knows how to draw it. The only concept is how you all have to make the sentence into the figures. Okay, now the next question is angle in linear pair which are complementary angle. So angles in linear pair, if it is in a linear pair which are complementary angles. लीनियर पेयर में कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स कभी भी नहीं होते हैं. इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. एंगल्स इन अ लीनियर पेयर आर ऑलवेज सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स. In the very first question I have explained, okay, before starting this exercise I have explained that linear pairs are forming only supplementary angles, मतलब 180, और यहाँ पे तो दिया है 90 डिग्री, तो लीनियर पेयर पे 90 डिग्री फॉर्म नहीं होता है and it is not possible. Angles in linear pairs are always supplementary angles. I hope this exercise is clear to everyone. Still, if anyone is finding anything difficult, do let me know in the comment section. Let's move on to practice set number 20, which is you all have to find a angle. One angle has been given, you all have to find the other angle. Okay, now same properties you all have to use over here. Linear pair wala property, vertically opposite angle wala property you all have to use. Now vertically opposite angles मतलब क्या होता है? Opposite angles जो होते हैं ऐसे वाले angles, these angles are said to be as vertically opposite angles. Okay, so these vertically opposite angles की property होती है that they are 180 degree, मतलब they are supplementary angles always. Remember that. Now how you all have to find the angle, find the measures of these angles. Now suppose line AC means these lines and BD intersect each other at point O, and angle AP and D. Okay, so AP and D is supposed to be 47 degree. A is over here, sorry. No, this is not A, I was showing wrong. AP and D means this angle is 47 degree. Alright, so how are you going to find the other angle? By vertically opposite angle method and angle in linear pair. These two methods only you all have to use in order to find the remaining angles which are being asked. So first we will find angle APB, angle BPC and angle CPD. So how are you going to find it? It's very easy, children. First we will write whatever is being given. APD, that is 47 degree. ओके, तो अगर ये 47 डिग्री है तो BPC कितना होने वाला है? इट इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बी 47 डिग्री. ओके, सो measure of angle BPC is also 47 degree, and the reason is because they are vertically opposite angles. Got it? It is very easy to understand. दोनों opposite side के हैं, that is why it is going to be 47 degree. So ये हमारा first point से हमें मिल गया, that is BPC हमें मिल गया. That means this we have got it. Isn't it easy to find? Now next what we have to find is, अब see, if you will forget about this, दिस इज अ लीनियर पेयर, मतलब ये 180 का एंगल बनने वाला है. इफ यू ऑल आर गोइंग टू फॉरगेट दिस इज गोइंग टू फॉर्म अ लीनियर पेयर, मतलब ये एंगल जो फॉर्म होने वाला है इट इज गोइंग टू बी एंगल्स इन लीनियर पेयर. तो अब हमें क्या लेना है, मेजर ऑफ एंगल ए पी एंड डी, ए पी एंड डी प्लस measure of angle AP and B, AP and B, मतलब ये अभी हम फाइंड करने वाले हैं, which is going to be APD and APB. Forget about this, ऊपर का ये भूल जाओ, only this. Why? Because it is angle in linear pair. Now you all have to give the reasons. Angles in linear pair. You all have to write the reasons. It is very important. Vertically opposite angles थे, इसीलिए हमने vertically opposite लिखा. Angles in linear pair हमने find कर लिए. Now इसमें से हमारे पास है APD which is 47 degree plus measure of angle APB हमें अभी मिलने वाला है 180 already है because it's a linear pair. तो measure of angle APB is equal to 180 degree. ये यहीं पे रहेगा, ये यहाँ पे रहेगा, but this is going to move its place, so it will change to -47. Therefore, measure of angle APB is going to be how much? Subtract कर लो इसको. The answer is going to be 133 degree. All right, subtraction I hope everyone knows. अब arrangement करने में सब लोग problem create करने वाले हैं. So this is going to be the subtraction in this way. You all have to subtract it. 3, 7 minus 4, 3 and 1 as it is. Now I have shown you all how to subtract because again you all are going to make a mistake over here and then your answer is not going to come. Many of you all are finding it difficult to subtract it. Okay, so अब हमें ये angle मिल गया which is 133 degree. So how much is this going to be? Opposite angle, isn't it? Vertically opposite angle. So this will also be 133 degree only, which is going to be CP and D. So therefore, if measure of angle APB is 133 degree, therefore measure of angle CPD is also going to be 133 degree. इन दोनों का रीजन है वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल. थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग है बट इट इज वेरी इजी चिल्ड्रन. इफ यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट इट इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी इजी फॉर यू ऑल टू सॉल्व. ऑलराइट, लेट्स सॉल्व द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Now in this question, line PQ and line RS intersect at each other at a point M and measure of angle, and this was your angle, that is APB is equal to X degree. Now let me check, it is given wrong I think. So in the question has been given wrong. It is PMR. Okay, PMR is equal to X degree. Find the measures of the other 3 angles that have been given. Okay, so हमें ये तीनों angles अभी find करने हैं. Same kind of problem sum. So measure of angle PMR plus measure of angle PMS is equal to 180 degree. अब हमने क्या कर लिया, PMR and PMS. So ये we have forgotten and we have taken this complete angle, ये वाला angle and ये वाला angle, this angle and this angle, which is 180 degree, which is forming angles in linear pair. Okay, isn't it? Angles in linear pair 180 degree का फॉर्म होता है. तो इसमें से हमारे पास x है plus this we will be getting it right now and it is 180 degree. So therefore measure of angle PMS ये यहीं पे रह जाएगा, 180 अपने जगह पे रहेगा, but x is going to change its place and change to minus x degree. So ये कितना हो गया, 180 degree minus x. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा, 180 degree minus x. ये कितना हो जाएगा, because this is x, this will also be x degree. तो vertically opposite angles हमें property लगा देनी है दोनों को. So directly you all can write measure of angle SMQ is equal to measure of angle PMR. मतलब जितना PMR है PMR x है तो SMQ भी x रहेगा, एंड मेजर ऑफ एंगल QMR इज इक्वल टू मेजर ऑफ एंगल PMS विच इज सपोज टू बी, हमने फाइंड कर लिया इजंट इट 180 माइनस x डिग्री. सो हमें ये कहाँ से मिला, इसका रीजन है वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स. ओके, सो सिंपल प्रॉपर्टीज यू ऑल हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, जो हमने स्टार्टिंग से स्टडी करा, दैट ओनली यू ऑल हैव टू राइट एंड कंप्लीट द एक्सरसाइज. Still, if you all are finding anything difficult, do let me know in the comment section. I will try to solve it in a different way for you all to understand. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.